course of the last couple days, we've seen some scattered flurries, some scattered showers. The sky likely looking like this. This was sent into our 13 Weather Authority photo community. And you can kind of see some of the showers coming down off in the distance, even some of that filtering down out of the clouds. So very hit or miss. The sky looked kind of interesting as of today. So thanks to everybody sending in their sky photos for the last couple days with all of this. We can say goodbye to some of these wintry conditions quite soon here. Warmer weather slides in quickly after one last chilly night. We're looking at the 60s and 70s over the next 10 days, which is a far cry from the 40s that we've had the past 2 days in a row, including today. We haven't even gotten above 50 since Monday, and Monday was just barely into the 50s. Right now, hovering just above freezing, so we have another cool night ahead. Rockford at 40, but likely to drop another 10 degrees or so late tonight, putting us into the upper 20s, leading to another freeze warning, second in a row, likely dropping below freezing after midnight, staying that way until 9 o'clock. That's when that freeze warning expires, so protect your plants if necessary. We do clear out late, looking at those chilly conditions settling on in. This might be the last frost of the season. Over the last 30 years, we've seen April 27th as kind of our average last frost date. Now, we're not quite there yet, but with much warmer weather in the forecast, likely going through the end of the month with the temperatures well above freezing. So this might be one of the last ones, as we're kind of right within that territory. There are exceptions, though. Even last year, we saw our last frost around May 9th, so we still may have a little time to go, but overall, things are trending a lot warmer. After a very chilly start to the morning, we're back into the 40s by 10, 50s by noon tomorrow, and we may take a run at 60 degrees, which we haven't been that warm since the weekend. You can see lots of sunshine expected with that, so definitely getting right back into spring conditions as soon as we get to tomorrow afternoon, kind of leaving behind some of the winter chill that's in the air. And over the next several days, we stay warm, if not shoot all the way up to near 80 by early next week, which is why I do think we, at least for the rest of the month, avoid the wintry conditions and avoid those frosty conditions. Now, you may notice Friday looking a little cooler, and it has a chance for some rain showers. Looks likely that we'll see the rain slide in over the course of the morning, somewhat soggy into the afternoon. That's when we'll have the steady rainfall, and then exiting as we head into Friday evening, Friday night, starting the weekend out with dry conditions. There is a slight chance for rain in the forecast, as you can see, but not looking quite as good as what we'll have for the end of the work week. So as we look ahead in the forecast, we have another chilly night to go, and then we start to warm back up again. We're near 60 through the end of this week, and then we see 70s for 3 days in a row into next week. Tuesday, even close to 80 degrees, which we haven't seen since the beginning of the month. Wednesday does have a chance for thunderstorms, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, the reason for the storms is due to some cooler weather moving back in, but we only drop to the 50s and 60s rather than the 40s like we saw for the past couple days. James and Lauren.
Alex, thanks. And if you're up early enough tomorrow